Hi guys, so for my wash and go today, I am starting on freshly washed, soaked hair. And today we're going to talk about why I love and hate wash and goes. So as I'm separating my hair here and doing the normal things that I do, I'm going to be talking to you about my experiences with wash and goes and why I have this love-hate relationship for them. So before we get into that, I am using the new Curls Poppin Pineapple Curling Jelly. I'm really excited to try this because I tried the Blueberry Bliss and I think that this is very comparable, very similar, so I'm excited to try it. Back to my love-hate relationship. So let's start with hate. You see my shirt right now? You see my neck? You see my face? When I do wash and goes, my hair has to be soaking wet, but I really don't like the feeling of the rest of me just kind of being soaked with the water from my hair. I don't know if anyone else feels this way. It's just weird. Like you have water dripping down your back, your shirt's wet, your face is wet. It's not really that comfortable in my opinion, but nonetheless, you get through it. Now, for the love part of my relationship with wash and goes is this wash and go, the whole process of washing it and setting the style takes me not that much time. I can work in bigger sections as I am here. I can rake through it, get the product on my hair and let it sit and move on to the next thing. It doesn't really take that long to complete this. Now granted, it is, kind of a hit or miss when it comes to results. I don't really know when we get until the end, but I can confidently say that it is a lot faster, which is nice, especially during like the summer months when I'm really just out the door. Wash and goes are really cool for that. But I just want everyone to stop and just look at my shirt right now. Do you see what's happening? I can't stand it. Anyways, back to the product. As you can see from just this clip right here, it was clumping beautifully. I was really excited to see how it would dry. I wasn't using a lot. A little did go a long way. And it wasn't like sticky or tacky in my hair. It was pretty soft, so I like that as well, especially once I combed it through. It was super smooth. Here is my entire head with all the product on it. You can see the definitions and the way that my curls clump, which is really exciting because I like clumpage. I just think that it looks nice for me. So I'm going to go ahead and diffuse this, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys the results and talk to you, give you my final thoughts on this product. Hi guys, so these are the final results for you. I'm pretty pleased with this. I had tried the curls, their Blueberry Bliss, like years ago. And I guess it was part of my technique or what I was doing, but I was like, this ain't for me. Like, I know a lot of people raved about it, but my hair was it was like a little crunchy and very stringy and just not whatever. So I blame it on the technique because this product is very similar to that. It smells a little different to me. The hold is, it's soft. A little bit of the back of my head is still wet, but it's pretty soft right now. There's no crunch or anything like that. So I do like this. My only minor concern is the amount of hold that it has because this is day one for me. And while I love this volume and the way that my hair looks right now, if this is day one, I'm not sure what's going to happen by day 3 or day 4. So that's like the only thing that I'm like, oh, okay. But I feel like if I mix it with something else or another one of their products, I could probably get it to just get a little bit tighter and cancel out some of that frizz. But I'm feeling this. It's definitely, my hair feels very healthy. It does not feel stripped or dry. It's very soft and moisturized. So that's definitely a thumbs up for the Curls Poppin Pineapple. If you have tried it before, let me know in the comments below. Also, if there's a product that you want to see me try out or test out for my monthly wash and goes, you can also let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!